Hello everyone, my name is Nazim Taslim Ahmed.
My name is Naomi Farnaj.
I am Alfajuddin Ahmed.
The name of our project is Digitalization of ICU Communication System. One of the main problems that we witnessed when we visited the hospitals were how crowded the ICUs were. Comparing with the ideal ICU scenario where there should be the least amount of people going into the ICUs in our country, the ICUs are very crowded with doctors, nurses and attendants. The reason the ICUs are very crowded being the ICU beds are very congested. There isn't enough space between the ICU beds. The second problem is there are many attendants in the ICU. The attendants stay in the ICU because they are kept on standby by the medical professionals so that they can run and get anything that's needed, such as the medications or syringes. As a result, everyone is coming into contact with everyone. This can lead to various consequences, such as it obstructs infection control protocols. Infection can spread very easily among all these people. Also, discussing the condition of the patient in front of the attendants is very risky as it can lead to unwanted violent incidents. Another problem we saw was that the nurses input the regular patient data manually in a binders, which can be erroneous and time consuming. So the solution we came up with for this was the digitalized ICU communication system.
So the solution of our problem is to make a digitalized ICU communication system where we will be develop a website, a dynamic website with a backend database and an authentication system. We could also develop an app, but it will be difficult for us to learn mobile operating system in this short time frame. The basic infrastructure of our project website will be there will be three interfaces: doctor interface, nurse interface, and patient attendance interface. They can communicate with each other, and the whole system will managed in the backend, which is called management. The features we want from doctor end is that the doctor can communicate with nurse and patient attendants, will be able to observe real-time patient data, will be given access to watch all monitoring system remotely, can control who has access to view patient's data, and can create important posts in journal tab. At nurse end, the nurse can communicate with doctor and patient attendants, direct input of patient data status, can make emergency call, ask the patient attendants for medicines and other essential stuff, can turn on the webcam and stream patient situation. At attendance end, the attendant can communicate with nurse and doctor, will be able to observe doctor's comments about patient, will be able to watch patients in nurse laptop stream, and can comment and convey decisions in doctor's post.
Thing to bear in mind that we have two types of users. One is medical service provider and the other is patient's attendants. Both of them will have individual user ID and password, but their interface will be different. For example, Dr. Rafiq Ahmed has access to all the beds under his treatment. Besides, pop-up notification will inform him to notice any particular bed with a new update. In any bed page, doctor will have these features: status, scheduled events, connect with nurse and attendant. Status consists of chief complaints, which is a concise statement describing the symptoms, problem, condition, and diagnosis. General examination is based on patient's medical history. System examination report consists of test reports of central nervous system, respiratory system, cardiovascular system, and gastrointestinal system. Investigation finding: a continuous report taken from the ICU medical equipments. Medications give the information of the drugs given to the patient. From attendance page, he can see the posts of doctor, nurse, and act accordingly. He can request for updates. We're building the front end pages using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and JavaScript. The backend is connected directly with Firebase, a platform developed by Google.
Here we have done some web page work with help of HTML, CSS. And if we go live, we can see our web page. This is home page, contact, and about us in our web page. We have also hosted our web page in Firebase and done with the authentication system. If we go to the URL, we can see our login page. And if we give the correct password and email, we can log into the doctor's page. If the password is wrong, incorrect message will be shown.
Thank you.